The outline stitch is different from the stem stitch in a slight but an important way. Begin from the top of the stitch line and go back in to make a stitch. Before pulling out entirely, come back up somewhere in the middle towards the left of the stitch. Go back in and come back up from the previous stitch point. Repeat this process. I'm showing you the stab method now. Notice that I'm moving the thread always to the right side of the emerging needle. This is important, and this is where the outline stitch differs from the stem stitch. Now I will show you the sewing method, which is my personal favorite method. Go in through the fabric and move the thread to the right side while you bring the needle back up through the previous stitch point. Pull out the needle completely. Keep up with this process. Always remember to move the thread to the right and emerge from the left side. The outline stitch is great to make outlines, especially if your line is completely straight or has gentle curves. If your line takes sharp curves or deeper curves, I probably would want to opt the stem stitch. Let me know if you liked this video. Thank you for watching.